Hi everyone, I am here to show you how to use my natural gel with dual forms. My natural gel is for sale right now. In this video, I will be doing 2 of my nails to show you how you can get 2 different colors of nails just by how you apply the gel. And I will insert a picture for you right now. Whether you apply it a little bit thicker or thinner, you can get the natural gel color you are after. This gel is supposed to be used very sparingly. Say you break a nail and you want that nail to be built to look like the rest of the nails. You can do that with this gel. If the natural nail has a piece broke out of it, it can be repaired, or cracks can be strengthened with this gel. It is in a 5-gram beautiful reusable pot that you will just love. I know it. I don't want to show the pot right now, but I will later. This is the old pot right here, and I do have a few of these left. If anyone is interested in this pot, you can let me know when you order the gel. The gel is $30 plus $4 for shipping, and that will include a tracking number. For a short time, I will be offering the gel with a set of dual forms for an additional $3, which would be a total of $37, and that would also include your shipping. You would be getting 12 sizes of dual forms, and they start from 0 to size 11. Maybe the larger sizes could be used on toenails. I don't know because I never used this brand on my toenails before. These are the YS nails, and I absolutely love this brand. They will last indefinitely if you take good care of them. Look in the description box for the link to the newest sale video that I have that has a lot of information in it, and it also shows you how to use my gel with regular paper forms. I will also include the link to my playlist of my natural gel so you can watch all the videos that I have out using my natural gel. My email will be in the description box if you are interested in purchasing the gel or the gel with dual forms. Write me and I will tell you how to purchase. Now let's get on with the demonstration. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to create a natural looking nail using my natural gel in a dual form. Now I'm going to be applying my base gel, and what I use is the Gel Bottle Inks rubber base gel. You want to pick out a dual form that is going to fit your nail correctly. Right here is the back or the bottom of the dual form where it would be closest to your cuticle area. I'm going to fill the gel up to the line 3, like 1, 2, 3. That is where I'm going to fill the gel up to. Now I'm not going to set this dual form all the way back to the cuticle area. You're going to see where I set that. And there is the line that I'm going up to right there. And you can make it square right now, that's fine, because you can file it when you're done. Just a little bit more up in this area. This would be where the tip would be. Okay. All right, I think that's good. Now I have my portable light over there on its clip. So here is the lamp. It's on a clip right down here. You can see that. I can actually hold the form on like this under the lamp until it's secured, and then I can let go and let it cure the rest of the way. Put this over my nail and not all the way down. And if some squishes out the end, that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and put that under the lamp right over here. And there you go. Now that's that part. The color of the nail tip is a pretty intense yellow color because I did end up and get it thicker on the dual form. Now if I would have applied this gel a little bit thinner, the color would be less yellow. That's why you need to be careful you don't apply it too thickly, because then your color will be more intense. This is all dry. You can see that this is a ridge here from where the gel squeezed out of the form, which is it's not a bad thing, you know, but we're gonna have to file that. Since that rubber base coat is a little sticky, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it. Even though we file the ridge across here, we're gonna have to file the whole nail because we're gonna apply another layer of gel over top of it. So everything will have to be filed, that shininess taken off of it. Right now the nail is square, but I'm gonna go ahead and file it in an oval shape. Now you're gonna have to, you know, be gentle because it is thinner. Clean the nail. I am going to reapply the rubber base gel, and I'm only going to apply this rubber base gel in the back because that is where I did not get any gel product. And cure that, I'm coming in with my clear builder gel from Star Nails, and I'm just going to apply the gel over top of this. And I'm probably going to do probably three layers. And I'm going to have to build up the nail just a little bit. Cure that for a minute. The second layer. And I think that looks really good. I'm going to go ahead and cure that. I'm satisfied with that structure. It looks pretty good. It's not too thick. And clean that and buff it out because I don't think it needs any major filing really. Now I'm going to be doing my pinky finger so I can show you the differences when you apply the gel thicker and thinner. So I'm going to cut off my natural nail and I'm going to go up to line 3. That would be 1, 2, 3. And we want to keep the gel thin. And I'm going to show you the color difference when I apply this to my nail. You'll see when you apply it thickly, you'll get a more intense yellow color. And when you apply it more thinly, you'll get a lighter yellowish color. All right, now it's time to put that on. The nail has been prepared and I have applied the base gel. Now I'm going to put the tip on and I'm going to hold it and then put it under the lamp. Carefully pop that off, and right now you can see the color difference already. Now this tip here is very fragile. You can see it. It's almost bending like. So we have to be very, very careful when we file this. I already applied the base gel and cured it. Now it's time to apply the clear builder gel on top of this nail. Now I didn't go ahead and shape the tip or anything like that because it's very fragile because it's thin. And now I'm just applying my layers of clear gel to build up the nail. Cure that. Now I'm going to apply the second layer of clear gel, and I want to stress that you want to keep these clear gel layers thin because the thicker layer that you apply, you could experience burning. And if you have a dual lamp that has a low heat mode, you can use that low heat mode and that will lessen the chances that you experience any burning. Putting the clear gel layers on thinly will eliminate a lot of that burning. Cure this again. I think this one is going to need 3 layers. This is the 3rd layer of gel. It's starting to build up. And cure that. Here are the finished nails. I wanted to show you the difference on how you apply this gel. If you apply it thicker, you're going to get a more intense yellow color. If you apply it thinly, you're going to get a more light yellow color. That is pretty much the same color as my natural nail. I wanted to show you the difference. So you can be aware on how to apply this gel so that you can achieve the color that you're looking for. And here are the nails. They're very nice and thin. They both have very good apexes and they look great. They look natural, which a lot of people do have yellowed nails, you know, that, and there's nothing wrong with it. They're normal. There's nothing wrong with them. And some people have like a more tinted yellow, but not so intense. It is a UV gel, which is curable in a dual lamp, and dual lamps cure UV gels very quickly. It is a hard gel. It does not soak off. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.